Hello my dear friends, welcome to ACE Online and ACE Preparation League. From today onwards, focusing on SSC CGL preparation, we have series of videos to come every day, So you people should subscribe to our channel and you have to utilize this all free webinars going forward. So today the focus is on Staff Selection Commission CGL Combined Graduate Level. In this SSC CGL, what are the important modules you have to focus in quantitative aptitude. Today, I'll just trying to give the introduction for quantitative aptitude, my dear friends. Followed by that, we have few tricks we are trying to solve today, regarding speed mass, that is playing huge role in quantitative aptitude. So guys, in Staff Selection Commission, CGL and all competitive exams, you people know quantitative aptitude is playing a huge role. And what is the proper order you have to prepare the topics? So one by one how to prepare, and we divide entire this quantitative aptitude into modules, 7 modules. Just go through that modules, my dear friends. See, module 1, this is the better way of preparation for quantitative aptitude. Preparation strategy we can call. So first you just focus on this module 1, my dear friends. Complete all these topics like simple or linear equations. Here in linear equations, they'll give 2 equations with 2 unknowns. We have to solve those 2 equations. We have to find that unknowns, right? Linear equations related. That going forward in other topics again, this linear equations is going to help you. First topic why you have to prepare linear equations is problems on edges and averages also internally again related to equations only. For the given data, we are forming a equation and we are trying to solve. So initially you should go through this linear equations, then averages, average, sum of terms by number of terms. Some people will include, some people will exclude, how to solve all those examples. That's all about averages we have to focus. Ratio, proportion, variations, partnership, problems and edges, allegation, mixture. These 4 also again internal linked concepts. If you know ratio, proportion, variations, how to share the profit, how to share the loss can be easily done in partnership concept. In ages also, they'll give you 4 years ago, A and B ages are in X is to Y ratio. 5 years hence they are in the ratio Y is to Z. We have to solve those type of questions. Again, ratios will help you to solve ages. So you have to prepare in this module, in this proper order, my dear friends. First start with linear equations, then followed by averages. Ratio, proportion, variation, partnership, problems and edges, allegation, mixture. These 4 are interconnected. Just start with ratios, then go for partnership. And in ratio, proportion, variations also, direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation you are going to learn. Then data sufficiency, which is there for all the topics. Don't say data sufficiency is a separate topic. Data sufficiency includes all topics in quant and reasoning. Here you are going to learn the introduction. So they'll give a question. There are 2 statements, statement 1 and statement 2. Is statement 1 alone sufficient to answer that question? Are statement 2 alone sufficient to answer that question? Are both statements are required to answer that question? Are both statements together not sufficient? So that introduction, what is that statements, what is that meaning, you should know. Then you can apply this data sufficiency for all the topics. Every topic ending, we are going to frame some questions related to data sufficiency. There you have to learn, right? Then module 2 is about number systems, LCM and HCF, square roots and cube roots. So guys, in number systems, which is very, very important topic, it is a big topic. In fact, we can say important topic also. There are a lot of concepts you are going to learn in number systems. Like units place concept you are going to focus. Units place. You have to calculate number of factors or divisors in this number system. Reminders concept you need to focus. System. Number systems, there are a lot of concepts you are going to learn. Successive divisors. Highest power in a factorial. Many more divisibility, in fact, we have to focus. Highest power in factorial. Divisibility. This is all different concept you are going to learn in number systems. followed by LCM and HCF, least common multiple and highest common factor, basic calculations and its applications, where you have to apply LCM, where you have to apply HCF related, you have to learn. Then square roots and cube roots. What is the shortcut to do square root of a big number and cube root of a big number? You should know those tricks, my dear friends. Right. This is module 2. Whereas in module 3, percentages, profit and loss, along with discount, simple interest, compound interest, installments, and true discount, all these are interlinked concepts. Once you know percentages, especially in percentages, you have to focus more on percentage change and percentage comparison. Percentage change and percentage comparison. If you understand percentage change and percentage comparison, automatically profit, loss and discount will be completed. Compound interest also completed. In this percentages, yes, percentage change, percentage comparison, in fact population concept, these three are going to play important role. Okay. Once you understand that, okay, we can interlink those concepts to profit and loss and discount, simple interest, compound interest. Yeah, monthly installments, yearly installments. Okay, we are taking the amount loan, okay, we are paying monthly installments. All those we are going to learn here in monthly installments and true discount. Next, data interpretations, where they'll give a data in type of a diagram, where you have to collect the data from the diagram and they'll ask questions related to the data. In general, data interpretations is, questions are related to percentage, ratio and averages. Most of the questions, say there is a scope, they can ask different questions also, but most of the questions in data interpretation are from percentage, ratio and averages, my dear friends. That is why before going for data interpretation, you must and should complete percentages, ratio and averages. In that proper plan, we given all this chart, okay, and in coming series also, we plan the topics in that same way. Okay, first we start with the basics, okay, the tricks related to speed mass, then followed by number systems, all in this proper order, you can see one by one, right? Now, module 4, my dear friends, time and work, types and systems, chain rule, work and wages, time and distance and its applications. Time and distance, problems on trains, boats and streams, circular race, okay, all races and games, or maybe races, track or races and games, circular race, all these are applications of time and distance. Time and work, okay, time is work by efficiency. Time and distance, time is distance by speed. These topics are internally related. Okay, time and work, time and distance are interlinked. Okay, if you understand time and work properly, you can handle time and distance also. Okay, see, in time and distance, two objects are moving in opposite directions, speeds are added. In time and work, A and B are working together, will add their efficiencies. In time and distance, A and B are moving in same direction, speeds are subtracted. In time and work, pipes and cisterns, one pipe is filling, one pipe is emptying. Those are interlinked concepts actually. Okay, if you understand time and work, pipes and cisterns properly, time and distance will be completed. Okay, and here chain rule you have to focus. Chain rule, I hope you can recall how many members, how many days, how many hours, how much efficiency, how much work is completed. Okay, we can divide that entire things into two groups. Okay, how many members, how many days, how much efficiency and how much work is going to be completed. Okay, depends on that. We can, given data whatever it may be, you should divide into two groups and we can apply the chain rule. Work and wages, the name itself, payment according to the work. Okay, how those type of questions will be? The outline is simple. Work and wages, pay according to the work, right? And time and distance basics, then these are the applications of that. What are the applications it may be? It's purely applications we are going to discuss in time and distance, and the basics starts with, then we'll go for problems on trains, boats and streams, upstream, downstream related, races and games, and circular tracks. Yeah, when those people will meet. A, B, C, three people are moving around a circle. When three people will meet, okay, after how much time they'll meet at a starting point, meet at any point in the circle, all those we are going to focus in circular race. Okay. Next, module 5 is about geometry and mensurations, my dear friends. Here you are going to learn regarding straight lines, all related lines, parallel lines, all those things, perpendicular lines, straight lines, everything, and angles, interior angle, exterior angle, corresponding angles, opposite angle, supplementary angle, complementary angles, all related to angles. We are going to focus in lines and angles. Then properties related to triangle, okay, quadrilaterals, okay, it may be square, polygon with 4 sides, right? So you can cover here square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, all related properties, and how to calculate area, all those things. Finally, once you are done with triangle and quadrilateral, we will summarize for polygons. Okay, entire for regular polygon or irregular polygon. Okay, what is the sum of interior angles, exterior angles, what is the properties related to that, all will be covered here. Then in mensurations, for 2-dimensional figures, you are going to calculate the area and perimeter for all 2-dimensional figures in mensuration. Then for 3-dimensional figures, you are going to cover volume and surface area. Volume and surface area, my dear friends. Right. Next, 6th module you have to focus is on trigonometry. Systems of angles measurement, whether you are measuring angle in terms of revolutions or radians or degrees, how you are measuring, and trigonometric ratios, we have to focus. Identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, okay, all those things, maxima and minima. They'll give, okay, 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to, what is the maximum value of this function? 8 cos theta plus 1, as cos theta maximum value is 1, the maximum value of this function is nothing but equal to 9. 8 plus 1, what is the maximum of this, what is the minimum of this function? They'll give some function in terms of trigonometry. Okay, you have to find what is the maximum value or minimum value for that. Right, so for this, what is the maximum is nothing but 8 plus 1. Yes, cos theta maximum value is 8. 8 plus 1 is nothing but equal to 9, my dear friends. What is the minimum value of this is nothing but minus 8 plus 1. We got minus 7. Right, so related to maxima and minima they'll ask. And heights and distance related, yes, angle of elevation, angle of depression related questions we can find in heights and distance, right? And last module is regarding algebra. Powers and indices, yeah, you have to know in powers and indices, okay, what is the greatest among, what is the least among the given powers. Suppose they'll give question like yes, 2 power 22, 2 power 2 power 2, or 22 power 2, okay, or 222. Among these numbers, which is the greatest, which is the least, okay, those type of questions we can find in powers and indices. And there are a lot of other modules. We are not confined only for this. Okay, just I am giving you what type of questions you are getting in powers and indices. Identities, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, all those basic formulas you should learn. And among such, they'll ask you, yeah, which is the, again, they can ask you, okay, root 9 minus root 7, root 5 minus root 3, root 3 minus root 1. Among this, which is greatest, which is least, they can ask you related to that. There are a lot of other questions also. I'm just telling you, okay, there is a possibility like this. And quadratic equations, they can give 2 quadratic equations in terms of x and y. You have to find relation between x and y, whether x is equal to y or x greater than y. Whether you cannot give the relation between x and y. They'll ask questions related to quadratic equations. Coordinate geometry, simplification, they'll give big numbers, okay, you have to simplify that entire equations, whatever they're giving, you have to simplify it. And finally with progressions, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, AGP, okay, AP and GP combination, so you have to focus in progressions. So guys, these are the 7 way, the entire quant syllabus for SSC CGL focusing, we divide into 7 modules. So this is what the proper way you can, okay, the best way I can say it's, you can prepare for this quantitative aptitude. Okay, if you follow this, okay, there is a connection from one topic to another topic for sure. Okay, don't go directly with the simple interest or compound interest without percentages inputs. It's a bit hard, okay, to handle the simple interest, compound interest without percentage basics. Don't go for data interpretation without averages and ratios. So there is definitely a connection from one topic to other topic. This is the proper order you have to follow, my dear friends. Now, so introduction for quantitative aptitude, related to SSC CGL, and now cash speed math tricks. So from childhood onwards, you people are doing multiplication, squares, cubes. Okay, now how good you people can do it in a fast manner, and this is very important. At the end of every question, you have to do some calculations. Okay, multiplication, right, squaring or cubing or square root and cube root. How to do all that? We have nearly 10 tricks to discuss today. Let us, without any delay, let's start with the speed maths, my dear friends. See, the first one is, trick one is regarding multiplication of numbers with a series of 9s. Okay, you are multiplying some number with 9 or 99 or 999. Okay, this is the basic trick. Okay, you have to multiply a number with a series of 9s, 87 with 99. Okay, if you just see this one, my dear friends, 87, if you want to multiply with 99, you are suggested to write 99 as 100 minus 1. When you are multiplying with series of 9s, to do fast calculation, you just try to write 99 as 100 minus 1. Now, it's very simple task for you, 8700 minus 87. Right, so it's easy for you, so it's nothing but 8613, my dear friends, right? And some cases, if options are given, you can see first units place multiplication. 7 into 9 is 63. Your answer should end with 3. If options are given, okay, first you can check like this also, eliminate the options. 7 into 9 is 63. This is where at the end of every question, maybe in other topics also, at the end we have to do multiplication and all, we have to give the options. You have option-oriented exams where all options are there, MCQs is there. So you can check the option, yes, 7 into 9, 63, ending with 3 is there or not. Right. Then similarly, I hope you got the idea for the second question. Okay, 654 into 999, this can be written as 1000 minus 1. Right, so this is 6,54,000 minus 654. You have to subtract. Right, so what you will get? So 65,300, 346, right? So if you just see this one, my dear friends, okay, we'll get 65,346 will be obtained. When you multiply this 654 with 999, you can find, okay, again you can see the units place, 4 into 9 is 6. So 36 ending with 6 should be there in the options. Right, okay, so this is how you have to apply for series of 9s. Any number multiplying with 9 or 99 or 999 or 9999 also, this is what you can do. And next trick, this is simple for you, okay. Going forward, we have a lot of other tricks, my dear friends. Wait for that one. Now, second trick is regarding multiplication of numbers with a series of 1s. Series of 1s. 11, okay, 111, maybe 4 ones, 1000, 111, like that also, how to do. Say 54 into 11, if you want to do, my dear friends, put 4 here and put 5 here. 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9 in between. So this is 594. When you want to multiply 54 into 11, okay, 4 here, 5 here, 5 plus 4 is 9 in between you have to put. So 594. Sir, no sir, I have a doubt. Okay, there is a carry. Suppose I have to do 67 into 11, my dear friends. Then 7 here, 6 here, 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 7 will give 13. So 3 here and 1 carry for the next. Means it is like 737. When you want to multiply with 11, okay, so this is what? 7 here, 6 here, and 11 means maximum it can hold 2 numbers only. Maximum 11 can hold 2 numbers. You can see in the next slide, 3-digit number multiplying with 11 also it's, okay, here also you have 203 into 11. Maximum this can hold 2 digits. Now if you want to do 203 into 11, first, okay, put 3 here, put 3. Then 0 plus 3, it can hold maximum 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then it will go maximum 3 only. Okay, 2 only numbers it can take. It cannot take all 3 at a time. As it is 11, it can hold 2 numbers only at a time. 3, this is 0 plus 3. Next one, 0 plus 2. This is 0 plus 2. Then finally this is 2. So we got 2233. Okay, it can hold maximum 2 numbers only. So I'll give one more example related to this. Suppose you want to calculate 345 into 11. For example, 345 into 11. So take 5. Then 4 plus 5. Maximum it can hold 2 numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 3 plus 4, 7. Then finally 3. Okay, 5. 4 plus 5. If carry is there, that should be forward to next one. If some carry is there, that should be go for next one. Right, so this is how you should calculate with 11. Maximum it can hold 2 numbers. Now, yeah, triple one also, 4 ones also we can discuss. 45 into 22, this can be taken as 90 into 11, right? Which is anyhow, no need to discuss, right? So it's 990 directly for you. Okay, but they give 33, 22 like that, means that you can convert into 11. Fine. Now 3 ones. 3 ones means it can maximum hold 3 numbers. Maximum it can hold 3 numbers. How to handle 153 into 111? See this one, my dear friends, 153, you should multiply with 111, right? So first 3 here, first 1 digit, then 5 plus 3, 2 digits, 5 plus 3, 8. This is 5 plus 3. Then now it's not 1 plus 5, it can hold 3 numbers also. First 1 number, then 2 numbers, then 3 numbers also it can hold. It is 9, which is 1 plus 5 plus 3. 3 numbers. Then 2 numbers, 1 plus 5, 6. Then finally 1 number, which is 1. So we'll get 16,983. 1 number, then 5 plus 3, 8. Then it can hold 3 numbers, as it is 3 ones. 4 ones means it can hold 4 numbers maximum. First 1, then 2 numbers take at a time, 3 at a time, then 4 at a time, like that. If it is 4 ones. So 1 at a time, then 2 numbers at a time, then 3 at a time, then again 2, then 1, like that. Clear? So this is how, when you want to multiply with series of ones, what is the trick we can apply? There are many tricks, my dear friends. Okay. Now see the next third one, squaring of a number whose unit digit is 5. You are squaring a number whose unit digit is 5. So here 105 square. 105 square is, which is nothing but 105 into 105 or 105 square. Okay. First 5 into 5, this units place, 5 into 5, you directly write 25. The number left is 10. The number left is 10. 10 next number. 10 next number is 11. 10 into 11, 110. So this is what we are getting. Okay, any number, squaring of a number ending with 5. 5 into 5, 25. Here we have 10. 10 next number is 11. 10 into 11 is 110. Similarly, suppose you want to calculate 75 square. 75 into 75. 5 into 5 is 25. 7 next number, this 5 into 5, 25, okay. 7 is there. 7 next number is 8. 7 8s are 56. So this is 5,625. Squaring of a number whose unit digit is 5. Okay, if unit digit is 5, this trick we can apply. Right. Now trick 4 is, read the condition carefully, my dear friends. Multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Yeah, 85 into 25, 2-digit numbers. Ending with 5. Conditions is important. Ending with 5 and tens places are different, but their sum is 10. Here 8 plus 2, 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Tens place summation must be 10, but both numbers are ending with 5. Then what you have to do, see 85 into 25. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25 you can go. 8 2s, the remaining numbers is 8 and 2, right? So 8 2s are 16. Add 5 to that. Add 5 to that, we'll get 21. So this is 2125. 5 into 5, 25. Remaining 2 numbers are 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16. Okay. If you add, you have to add 5 to that. You had to add 5 to that. 16 plus 5, 21. You got 2125. 85 into 25. 45 into 65. Yeah, now you got the idea. 5 into 5, sir. 25. 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 6, 24. You had to add 5 to that. So which is 2925. This is not for all numbers. For all numbers, how to apply also we will discuss. Okay, we started with some basics now. At the end, okay, for any number, this is with some terms and conditions. Previous question also ending with 5. Square of a number ending with 5. Here 2-digit numbers multiplication ending with 5 and tens place summation is equal to 10. Okay. Now, I hope you can solve 35 into 75, my dear friends. Is this condition satisfied? Is it satisfied? I'll check your answers. Yes, reply this one. 35 into 75, my dear friends. What's the answer? This is free sessions for everyone, okay. Daily it probably in the same timings, my dear friends, from 7 o'clock you have a session. If any changes is there, you can see in the channel, we'll update that for sure. Yeah, people are giving their answers, excellent. So guys, here 5 into 5 is 25, 3 into 7, 21, and we have to add 5 to that, which is 2625, my dear friends. Okay, here this condition is satisfied, right? Excellent. Now see the next trick. So guys, at the end of the session, you people have to update in the comments, okay, which trick you are surprised with, or maybe which trick is you people feel better, useful for you. You can mention that also. Now trick 5, here your previous also ending with 5, this is also ending with 5, but 10 difference is there. Okay, a into a plus 10, this is like 2 numbers, multiplication of 2 numbers, ending with 5, but 10 difference is there. 10 difference. Then how to handle this type of question? You see this, my dear friends, 45 into 55. I'll give this example. Next question answer, you have to mention that comment box. So guys, see this, 45 into 55, difference ending with 5. If 2 numbers ending with 5 and having 10 difference, the product definitely end with 75. The product is definitely ending with 75. Among 4 and 5, now tens place 4 and 5 is there, right? Which is smaller one is 4. Take that 4, smaller one you have to take. 2 numbers after, add 2 to that. Add 2 to that. 6. 4 into 6 is 24. So 2475 is the product. 45 into 55. Okay, if 10 numbers ending with 5 with 10 difference means definitely this product is ending with 75. Among 4 and 5 in tens place, 4 is the smallest. Pick that smallest one and add 2 to that. Or pick the bigger one, add 1 to that. 5 we can take, among this 4 and 5, 5 is bigger one, add 1 to that. Okay, likewise, okay, you can take the smallest among this, don't go with the biggest one, okay, fix for this. You take the smallest one, add 2 to that. Okay, 4 into 6 is nothing but 24, add 2 for that 4. Now here 65 into 75 if you want to apply, my dear friends, definitely ending with 75. Among 6 and 7, smallest one is 6. If you add 2 to that, 8. 6 into 8 is 48. Among 6 and 7, smallest one is 6. Add 2 to that. We got 6 into 8 is nothing but equal to 48, my dear friends. 65 into 75. Now, one example you have to try is 55 into 65, my dear friends. Try this. What is the answer for this one? 55 into 65. Is this satisfying our conditions? Both ending with 5. 10 difference is required. Okay. And one more question like here, 105 into 115. Both. Try these questions both. What's your answer? 10 difference, both are ending with 5. Here also 10 difference, both are ending with 5. Now, you can post your answers in the comments, my dear friends. Superb. First one done. Padmashree, Anuruddh, Umesh, superb. Shashidhar, good. Naresh, check once. Among 5 and 6, you should take the smallest one. Shashidhar for the second question also. Sunil, superb for the first one. Great. Yeah, my dear friend, this is a free course for you. In this session, whatever it is going on is all free course for you. Excellent, my dear friends. Good response. Okay. So guys, here, yes, 75 ending with 75. Among 5 and 6, 5 is the smallest. So two numbers after 7, 5 into 7 is 35. And here, 75, among 10 and 11, 10 is the smallest. 10, two numbers after 12, so we'll get 10 into 12, 120. Right? So this is about that trick 5, my dear friends. Ending with 5, difference should be 10. Okay. Now say the trick 6, my dear friends. Multiplication of any two-digit number with same tens place. Tens place must be same. Suppose here 19 into 18 or 23 into 29. Tens place is 2. Same tens place. That's the only condition for from my end. 72 into 73 also. Tens place is 7. Here very small condition. You have a wide range of application for this. Okay. So you have to multiply two-digit number with tens place is same. Right. Now how to handle this? See this, my dear friends, first take the small example to understand the concept. 19 into 18, right? Okay. 19 is 9 more than 10. This is close to 10. 9 more than 10. 18 is 8 more than 10. 19 is 9 more than 10. 18 is 8 more than 10. 19 plus 18. 19 plus 18 or 18 plus 19. Take both will be same only actually, okay. 19 plus 18 is how much? 27 into 10. Base is 10, right. Here I taken base is 10. Base I taken as 10. Okay, 19 plus 8 is 27. Okay, 19 plus 8 is 27. So base is 10 means into 10 I am multiplying. Then 9 into 8. First one, right, so it will take time, no problem. Next onwards we can speed up, right? Okay, then this 9 into 8 we have to multiply. 270 plus 72 is nothing but 342. 19 into 18 is 342. Some people will call, sir, this is 19 square minus 19. Yes, I agree. This is a different method. You just try to think. This is not only, one difference is not required. You may have 17 into 12 also. Okay, or you can, so you have to solve 23 into 29 also. Just try to understand the input. Okay, I am taking the base is 10. 19 is 9 more than 10. 18 is 8 more than 10. 19 plus 8 is 27. I taken base is 10. So 27 into 10, 270. 9 into 8, 72. Adding those to 270 and 72, we got 342. Now, without pen and paper, you can think all calculations in your mind. Here, this is 3 more, this is 9 more. 23 plus 9. Now, see, this is base is 20. You can do it without any calculator. Check. Yes, this is 9 more, right? 23 plus 9 is 32. Base is 20. 32 into 20 is nothing but 640. 3 into 9, 27. So 667 you will get. You can speed up, okay? With normal method, what is the problem? You cannot remember all the steps in your mind. But here you are doing one step at a time. You can remember that and you can carry forward easily. Now once again see, this is 9 more than. This is base is 20 now. Here I am taking base is nothing but 20. Regarding these notes, okay, at the end of the session, okay, after 3 to 4 hours after the time, okay, notes will be there in the link, okay, below that link, YouTube link, okay, you can download the notes. Don't worry about that. We focus on the tricks, how to do, okay. So guys, here this is 3 more than 20. This is 9 more than 20. I taken base, which is nothing but equal to 20. Now 23 plus 9 is 32. So 32 base is 20, 32 into 20 plus 3 into 9, 27. So already here 640 plus 27 means 667. Now do for 72 into 73, my dear friends. Base is 70. 72 plus 73, base is 70. There are many tricks. whatever it's convenient for you, you can take it out. At the end, I'll give no condition. Any 2-digit number with any 2-digit number. 3-digit with 3 digits also we'll discuss. But okay, these are few tricks where maybe for some examples, when condition satisfied, you can save the time, right? You just see this one, my dear friends. What's the answer for 72 into 73? Yeah, Saipon, I agree. Using that Urudvega Trembukam Sutram, vertical and cross multiplication, Ekadikana Sutram, Nikolam Sutram, we can do. That's all. These tricks also from the same thing only. Saipon, I agree that. Okay, so that's why we have those tricks also going forward at the end. Okay, trick 10 and 11 is regarding that only. Don't worry, Saipon. So what about this one, my dear friends? 72 into 73. Siddharth, okay, remaining. Base is 70. 2 into 3, anyhow 6. That we have to keep in mind. 72 plus 3, 75. Base is 70. 75 into 70. Then 2 into 3. 75 into 70 plus 2 into 3 we have to do. So now here, yeah, you got 5,256, right? Superb, my dear friends. There are many things going for this. Is few tricks, whatsoever it's convenient for you can apply that as per the situation. At the end, you can see, okay, without any condition. This is all with conditions where tens place 2 and 2, here tens place 7 and 7 must be same. Then all this trick is applicable. Okay. Now, yeah, this one 23 into 29, 32 into 37 also you can do, right? See, 32 into 37, what's the answer for this one? This one I think we solved just now. 32 into 37, my dear friends. What is the answer? Both tens place is 3. Is that condition satisfied? Yes, sir. 3 and 3, same tens place, condition satisfied. Now, 32 plus 7, 39. Base is 30. So, how to do this is easy. One is 39 into 30 plus 2 into 7. 39 into 30 plus 2 into 7 also we can apply. So which is nothing but, yeah, we have 117 there, right? So 1170 along with this 14, 1184, right? So if you just check calculations, my dear friends, you will get 1184. Now see the next one. Okay, what are the trick? It's convenient for you. You can just apply. You can take it from here. Now trick 8 is squares close to the base 100. Okay, base 100 or base is 50 or 200. How to do? Squares close to the base. 98 square. Okay, square 98 is close to 100, right? Now see, very simple thing. 98 square if you want to do. Same trick now what you applied before. 98 is 2 short of 100. 98 minus 2 is 96. 98 minus 2 is 96. 96 into 100. Minus 2 into minus 2 is nothing but 4. This is 9,604. 9,604. See this, my difference. 98 into 90. This is 2 short. Okay, both are 2 short of 100. So 98 minus 2 is 96. Base is 100. 96 into 100. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So we got 9,604. Similarly, now you should do it in your mind. 97 square, 3 short is 97 minus 3 is 94. 94 into 100. And both are 3 short of 100. So 3 into 3, 9 will get. This is 9,409. Let's check it out. Okay, you got 9,409 here. Similarly, 102 square. 102 is 2 more than 100. Right? So 102 plus 2, you will get 102 into 102, right? So here 2 more than 100. So 102 plus 2, 104 into 100 means 10,400. 2 into 2, 4. You will get 10,404. Okay, squaring a number close to base 100, base 200. If base 200 means into 200. If the square is close base to 50 into 50, that's it. Okay, if close, this is close to 200 means 2 into 200, whatever you did. Okay, let's see example related to that as well. Yeah, 402 square. 213 square. Let's go ahead with this one. 213 square. Base is close to 200. Now 213 square, if you want to do, my dear friends, base is close to 200. This is 13 more than 200. This is also 13 more than 200. 213 plus 13 is 226. You should multiply with the 200 here. Base is 200 plus 13 into 13. Okay. This will give the answer, my dear friends. Very simple, right? So, what's your answer here? Yeah. So, if you multiply, I hope you got 4005. Here 169 will add, right? So, 45,369 will get. You just check it out with that one, my dear friends. Here we'll get 452, 45,200. Along with that 169, we'll get 45,369. Now you just try this one, my dear friends. I'll wait for your answers. 402 square, you just try. Base is close to 400. Base close to 50 also you can do. Close to 100, base close to 200. Many tricks, whatsoever it's convert. Again, I'm repeating that point. It's not mandatory. This one you have to apply, this one you have to apply. At the end, last two tricks are without any condition. Okay. So there also you can speed up using vertical and cross multiplication. I'm just checking your responses. Yeah. Superb. Padmashri, Shivasai, Harideep, Ruchi Kashyap, Shivasai, good. So try for 402 square, guys. Excellent. So people are giving the answers like, so 1,61,604. Superb. Remaining, please check. Your friends are responding for 402 square as 1,61,604, my dear friends. Yeah, 2 more than 400. So 402 plus 2, 404. 404 into 400 you have to do plus 2 into 2. Okay, these are the tricks which is useful for you. You can pick among this. Next, trick 9 also with some terms and condition. Then 10 and 11 without any terms and conditions. We'll go ahead. Now see this trick 9, my dear friends. Multiplying 2-digit number that begin with the same digit and whose last digit sum is 10. Yeah, 2-digit number beginning with same. Sum of these two must be equal to 10. Units place summation is 10. 1 plus 9, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2-digit number beginning with same number. Okay, means tens place is same. Tens place, two conditions here. Tens place must be same and sum of units place must be equal to 10, my dear friends. Then what you have to do, suppose if you pick 23 into 27, 3 into 7 directly we can write 21. This 2 next number, here we left with 2. 2 next number is 3. 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. So we can write this as 621 directly. Okay, 3 into 7, 21. 2 next number is nothing but 3. 2 into 3 is 6, 621 you can write directly. Here 64 into 66. 4 into 6 is 24. 6 next number is 7. 6 into 7 is 42. This is 4,224. 6 next number is 7. So 6 sevens are 42. We can write 4,224. 21 into 9. 1 into 9 is 9. 2 next number is nothing but 3. 2 into 3 is 6. We'll get 609. We'll get 609, my dear friends. So this, okay, it's like 2-digit number, but both start with the same number in the sense tens place must be same. Sum of units digit must be equal to 10. In those cases only this trick will be helpful for you. Now you want to find, suppose 102 into 108. 10 and 10, both starting with 10 and 10 I can say. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 2 into 8 is 16. 10 next number is 11. 10 11 is 110. So guys, you can apply like this. 2 into 8 is nothing but 16. 10 next number is 11. 10 into 11 is 110. Okay, you can simplify like that. Got it? So there are many ways to solve, my dear friends. Okay, this is one trick. Now, all these 9 tricks is having some terms and conditions. Now, as few of you people comment, given the comment like, sir, we can go without any terms and conditions. Yes, we can go. Now, multiplying any two-digit number with another two-digit number, no terms and condition. From 10 into 10 to 99 into 99. From here to all. Okay, not all the single digit also we can do. Okay, how to do that also we'll give you the later that input. 10 into 10 to 99 into 99 all we'll discuss, my dear friends. We'll take a short break now. After that we'll discuss trick 10 and 11. This is two-digit number, any two-digit number with any two-digit number. Next, any three-digit number with any three-digit number, how to do. After that, if time permits, we'll see square root and cube root inputs. Okay. Let's go ahead with this question, my dear friends. 72 into 31. Okay, let's take one small example to understand the process. Okay, because we already have it dated for your regular method. Now, if you want to switch for a new method, let's take one small example. Understand the methodology first. Then you can do all the calculations in your mind, my dear friends. Let's see this first question. 72 into 31. Right. So, guys, here, first, what you have to do, take units place. 2 into 1, units place multiplication, 2 into 1, 2, okay. Keep it here, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2, right. Then, next step is, first step, consider this is the first step. Second step, you have to do cross multiplication, vertical and cross multiplication, the method name. So, 72 into 31, now you can do cross multiplication. 3 into 2, 6, 7 into 1, 7, 7 plus, see this is 7 into 1, 7, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. You put 3 here and 1 aside, okay, that's like a carry for us. And last step is, okay, tens place multiplication. 72 into 31, 7 into 3 is 21. Along with that 1 carry, we will get 22. The final answer is 12, okay, 2232, my dear friends, from last to first. We have to write 2232. It's not 42, 2232, my dear friends. See this. First 2 into 1, 2. Then, okay, 7 plus 6, 13, 3, 1 carry for us. 7 3 is at 20, and along with this 1 carry, we got 22. 2232 is your answer. Okay, now see how this method is useful for you. See guys, at the end of every question, calculation, you have options, right? First, I'll check, okay, 2 into 1, 2. Which option is ending with 2? You use this method, okay, no, don't try to waste your time by doing all the multiplication also. Use the options. 2 into 1 ending with 2. Is there any option ending with 2? Okay, if now only one option is there, means that's your answer. No sir, 2 options ending with 2. Then go for the tens place. This is tens place. 7 into 1 plus 2 into 3, you got 13. 3 should be there in the tens place. Okay, 3, how many options is there in the tens place? If only one option, that's it, our job done. No need to do the entire product also. At the end, okay, if you have to go for the next step is the answer, you are doing multiplication means, you can utilize like this. In the middle, if you are doing this means, okay, fine, you have to do entire product, I agree. But at the last step you are doing to finalize the answer means, you can use units place. This method is that much good, my dear friends. You are first getting units place, then tens place, then hundreds place and thousands place. And it's not difficult also. You are doing one step at a time in your mind. You are remembering only one step. You can do without pen and paper also. Now, try this question 53 into 47. We have an empty slide here. So 53 into 47. Do this in your mind, my dear friends. So we'll write directly. See, you can do all the calculations as you are doing only one step at a time. You can write the answer directly. So 3 into 7, 21. 1, 2 carry, that you can keep in your mind. 35 plus 12, sir. 47. Along with that carry, 2. 49, right? So that you have to do, my dear friends. That all should be there in your mind. One step you are doing at a time. So 3 into 7, 21. 1 here, 2 carry. Okay, 5 into 7, 3 into 4. 35 plus 12, 47. Along with that 2 carries there, 49, right? So 9, 4 you can keep. 5 into 4, 20. Along with that 4, we got 24. So 2,491. 2,491. Right? Some people will call, sir, for this one I have another shortcut. This is 53 into 47, right? I can write this as 50 plus 3. 50 minus 3. We have this trick also. So we are doing something else. This is a plus b into a minus b, sir. A square minus b square. You can do like this. Yeah, for this question, okay, but we are giving you for all the numbers, not with this terms and conditions, right? We can also claim, sir, this is 2,500 minus 3 square, sorry. Minus 3 square you have to do. Yeah. Minus 9, you got 2,491. Yes, same thing here. You can also do like that, I agree, okay, but we are discussing a different thing right now. So you have to do units place, then cross vertical multiplication units place, then cross multiplication, then tens place multiplication. So you are doing one step at a time. You can write the values directly. Clear? Fine. Now, so that's regarding 2-digit number. You can practice more on questions. So we'll see one more thing here as per your request, guys. So let's see this question 99 into 73. So I'm waiting for your answers. Who will do fast? 99 into 73. Units place, then cross multiplication, then tens place multiplication. Vertical and cross multiplication. Urudvega Triyambakkum Sutram. Okay, so you just try this one, my dear friends. Units place multiplication, cross multiplication, and tens place multiplication you do. Yes, what's the answer? So I'll just wait for your comments. I'll just check out your comments. So guys, what's the answer here? Yeah. Sir, 9 into 3, 27. 2 carry, sir. Some people now do a good step like, sir, 9 into 7, 9 into 3. I'll take 9 comma 9 into 10, 90. Why to waste time separately? Okay, 90 like that. It's good. Your wish, guys. So what's the smart work you do for that question? It's your wish. Right. So now here, 9 into 3, 27, 2 for us. Okay, 90 and 2, this is 9 for us. So 63 along with 9. So we got 7,227. 7,227. So guys, this is how you have to do that any 2-digit number with any other 2-digit number. Sir, I want to do 2-digit with a single digit. Means you take 0 here. Suppose some people are asking, right, sir, 97 into 8 I have to do. I have to use this trick. Directly you can do 97 into 8. Why wasting time using this? If you want to do, you can put 08 to apply this trick. In this trick, if you want to follow, 8 means, okay, you should write as 08. Waste of time, directly you do 2-digit with single digit. Directly you can apply. No need to apply this trick, okay, for that single digit. This is for 2-digit number with 2-digit number, my dear friends. Next one, any 3-digit number with any other 3-digit number, how to do? So the next one, my dear friends, okay. 3-digit number multiplying with any other 3-digit number. So first, to understand the methodology, take small number, work on this. Then we can go for bigger numbers also. Understand the procedure first, my dear friends. Right. So here, first step, as we discussed, 112 into 123 you have to do, right? So first step, as already we discussed, 2 into 3, 6 will get. First step, okay, units place. Second step is that cross multiplication. 1 into 3, 2 into 2, you got 4 plus 3 is 7. Then third step is, see, 1 at a time, here 2 at a time, now 3 at a time. 3 at a time. Third step, you have to take 3 at a time. How to do that, sir? So this is 1 into 3, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. 3 plus 2 plus 2, we got 7 again. So this, 1 into 3, 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Next, fourth step is now 2 digits at a time. You can multiply these two. 2 plus 1 will get 3. Then last step is hundreds place. Basic example, I agree. First, you should understand the methodology, my dear friends. Now, answer is 13776. If we just do this, we got 13776, my dear friends. 13,776. This is understanding the methodology. And again, as I mentioned, if you have options, my dear friends, and you're doing this at the last step, hardly with third step, you can eliminate the options. No need to go for 4 and 5 also. Units place, tens place, hundreds place, that's it. Okay, beyond that, they don't go ahead with that. Okay, so maximum 3 steps you can do. If it is the last step in any question calculation, units place, tens place, hundreds place, with that itself. So first you got units place, then tens place, you got hundreds place. Okay, 776, ending with 776, which option is there? You can go ahead with that. Right, so depends on situation, whether to do the entire multiplication or whether to eliminate the options, we can decide, my dear friends. Right. Next, see, we'll go for 302 into 221. So guys, now do this calculation, 302 into 221. Yeah. Set 2 into 1. 2. Okay. Then cross multiplication. We got 4, sir. Fine. Then this 3 cross multiplication, 3, 0 and 4, 7, sir. Then this cross multiplication, 6, sir. Then this one, 6. If you just see, we got 66,742. Clear? Yeah. So guys, there is one more concept to eliminate the options, digit sum of digits. You can also apply digit sum or sum of digits concept also. Okay, for very big numbers, still if you want to do, okay, eliminating the options, okay, it's not also useful for every case. Okay, it depends on situation. Some situations this may also help you. See what I can do. 302, right? What is sum of digits is nothing but 5. 3 plus 0 plus 2 is 5. 221 Sum of digits for 221 also 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Sum of digits is 7. 5 into 5 is 25. Sum of digits is 7. 3 plus 0 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. 5 into 5, we got 25. Yes, sum of digits for 25 is nothing but 7. Now I have to check the options. Sum of digits in the options is the 7 or not. If it is there, that's the option. If two options are there, then this method will not help you. Sum of digits 7 is there only in one of the options, means you can pick that option. Now here, if you just do this, my dear friends, 7 plus 2, 9. Whenever 9 is there, you can ignore it while calculating the sum of digits. Why? Because of, see, 92, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 plus 1, 2. Means this 9 is not required while doing sum of digits. While calculating sum of digits, when 9 is there, you can ignore. Sum of digits is nothing but equal to 2 only. Now here 6 plus 4, which is 16. 16 means 1 plus 6. Sum of digits is nothing but equal to 7. You can also use sum of digits concept, but not in all cases, my dear friends. That's the worry. But whatever we given you in the previous slide, this is applicable for any. No terms and conditions. But here, problem with this is, if two options sum of digits is 7, then we are in a dilemma, which one to go ahead. Okay, but this is also one of the trick, sum of digits. For big numbers, you can check. This trick also may help you in some situations. Right? Good. Next, my dear friends, if you want to do cube, now we have to think about cubes. We'll go with the small number first, then we can see the big numbers. So guys, you have to do, suppose a plus b whole cube. We have to know first of all two cubes if you want to do. Yeah, first we are doing a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube, right? You can use this here also to calculate cubes for two-digit numbers, my dear friends. This is for two-digit numbers. Okay, for two-digit numbers, if you want to do cube, you can use a plus b whole cube scenario. Right. See how this is useful for us, sir. For example, one basic example, 15 cube we are taking, okay. Then you can apply for these numbers and all. You are trying 15 cube. For example, 15 cube you are calculating. Okay, this is, they are taking this like a 1 plus, this is actually 10 plus 5 whole cube. 10 plus 5 whole cube, okay. They'll take like 1 and 5 here, they'll take digits like 1 and 5. See what we can do. There are n number of methods, my dear friends. Again, I mention you, there are n number of methods. Don't confine only for one. There are many methods to go ahead. 15 cube. This is like, okay, first we'll split it like a value 1 and b value 5 like that. You just take, so this is 10 plus 5, 15, sir. We agree, okay. But first take here, a consider like 1, b consider like 5. A consider here like 1, b consider here like 5. So 1 cube, 1. Then here a square, a is 1 here, 1 square into 5. Okay, here ab square, 1 into 5 square. Then b cube, 5 cube like that. Okay, so take this separately. This is yes 3 into, this is 3 into. Fine, this is 1 here, fine. Here 15, okay, let it be, let it be. This is here 25 into 3, 75. Here 125, sir. The method what you can apply for cube is this. Okay, you can put it like a 15 cube means take a value 1, b value 5 like that. A cube term here, here 3a square b, here 3ab square, b cube. 15 cube don't take it like 10 plus 5, take like 1 only. Okay, then what I am doing, this is actually 10 cube actually, means this is in thousands place like that. Position we are fixing, no issues with that. Now see, here 5 you take, this 12 is like a carry forward. You take 5 only, this 12 is carry forward for this. Okay, 75 plus 12 is 87. Take 7 here and 8 as carry now. Okay, here we have to take 8 as carry. 15 plus 8 is 23. Put 3 here and 2 carry here. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is 3,375. 3,375. So we can go ahead. 15 cube is nothing but 3,375. method which you have to apply is this. Okay, a cube 3a square b, ab square b cube. Okay, some people will claim this as a square b, double that. Okay, taking this one, doubling that also, it's nothing but 3 only. The idea behind that is the same. Okay, this a plus b whole cube formula is internally. Say a value 10. Yeah, here that's why we're taking this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, this is in thousands place. Okay, so that we are taking care about, that's why it's splitting, right? Now, in this fashion, my dear friends, you have to solve cube actually. So suppose try for 27 cube, 27 cube, we'll take some space here. So 27 cube means a plus b whole cube, that you keep in mind. So a cube, a square b, 3ab square, and b cube like this, right? So you got 343 there, put 3 and 34 is carry forward. Here 49 into 6, big numbers here. Yeah, fine, that's how things will be there. Okay, when you are doing cube, it's a big number handling. Or you can use, if suppose that is in the last step, means we are already giving you the trick like check the units place. There are many tricks you can follow. Okay, fine. Anyhow, here this is 34 is already carry for us. Okay, here 6 into 7, 42, 42 into 7, if you just go ahead. Here what you got, my dear friends? Which is nothing but 294, is it? Fine, so along with 34, you have to take 34 there. So 294 along with this 34, my dear friends. So we got 8 here, right? So we have 32 carry again. Now 3 into 4 into 7, we have 84, right? So 84 along with this 32, we got 116. So 6 here, 11 carry forward. 8 and 11 will give 19. So if we just do this all calculation, my dear friends, we got 19683. Check this, here 7 cube, we got 343. Here 6 into 49. If you just calculate, here we got 294. Along with this 34, we got 328. 8 here, 32 carry forward. This is taking time, I agree. But cubes, okay, that's how we have to go ahead. 27 cube can be written as 27 square into 27. That's convenient also, you can go ahead with that method. Okay, so that's how we should handle cubes, my dear friends. Now square root and cube root, okay, very important tricks you can see regarding square roots and cube roots. Square roots and cube roots, my dear friends. First, see, if you want to go for square roots and cube roots, you must and should minimum know squares from 1 to 30, cubes from 1 to 20, you should know minimum. Squares from 1 to 30 and cubes from 1 to 20, we should know minimum. Then only we can handle square roots and cube roots. Right. Now, let's see with the direct example, my dear friends. First one is I have to calculate square root of 32,041. Right, square root of 32,041. Now listen, my dear friends, square root of 32,041 if you want to do, see, 1 square is ending with 1, 9 square also ending with 1. 1 square will end with 1, 9 square also end with 1. So this, if you do square root, the result may be ending with 1 or it may end with 9. When you do square root for this, the result may end with 1 or it may end with 9, my dear friends. Right. Now, which one we have to fix here? First, okay, ending with 1 or ending with 10, we'll decide later. As you perform square root already, 2 numbers will be eliminated now. 41 will be eliminated. If you do cube root, 3 will be eliminated. As this square root, 2 will be eliminated. Now 320. 320 is between which squares? 18 square and 19 squares here. 320 is between 18 square and 19 square. So we should write 181 it may be or 189 it may be. 18 we have to take 320. So sorry, you can go still less than that 320, right? So one moment, my dear friends. 17 square, 18 square you can consider. This is less than 324. When it is less than 324, so it's 17 square we can consider. So 17 square 289, 18 square 324, right? So 320 is less than 324, I should take 17 now. Less than 324, we should take 17. It might be 171 or 179. So among these two, how to decide? This 320 close to 324, so we can go with the higher one. If this value is closer to this one, we should go with the lower one. Okay, 320 is between 17 square and 18 square, 289 and 324. Right. This 320 is very much closer to 324, means I should go with the higher value. 179 is the answer. If suppose this one is closer to this, means a different scenario. Okay, this 320 is closer to this one, means then we should take 171 like that. Okay, we'll have one more example related to that. This is how you should do square root. Now see the next example, square root of 23,409. So guys, you can go for the big numbers also. 23,409. This is the basic understanding. 23,409. 9, 3 square ending with 9. 7 square also end with 9. So this result, when you do square root, it may end with 3 or this may end with 7. Right? Okay. As you fixed one place, remove 2 digits. As this square root, remove these 2 digits, my dear friends. 0, 9 can be removed. Now 234 is between which squares we have to be careful. Sir, 16 square 256, 15 square 225. Yes, this is between 15 square and 16 square. 234 is between 225 and 256. So take the lower one. Okay, less than 234 is 225. Take 15. So it might be 153 or 157. One among this. How to decide this is 234 is closer to which one? If it is closer to this one, 256 means then I should go with 157. But this is closer. Difference. How to decide closer is difference here is 9. Difference here is 22. Difference here is 9. Difference here is 22. As it is 9 difference, this is closer to that side. So we have to go with 153, my dear friends. We should go ahead with 153 here. So this is how you should perform square root, my dear friends. Now let's go ahead with the cube root. Okay, let's see this example. Cube root is very easy for you actually now. Cube root of 14,42,897. Now here, my dear friends, ending with 7. 3 cube only ending with 7, right? No other cubes are ending with 7. 3 cube only ending with 7. So answer should end with 3. Now once I decide ending with 3, I can remove 3 digits internally. As it is cube root, we can remove 3 digits internally. Now we have 1,442. 1,442 is between which cubes we have to decide. So 11 cube is 1,331. 12 cube is 1,728. This 1,442 is between these two. We should always take the lower one, 11. So answer is 113. In square root, at least you should decide among two which is the correct one. Here, no second thought, my dear friends, directly we will get it. We can say 113. Second, when you try, see the third one, now keep in mind, as it is ending with 2. Which cube is ending with 2 is 8 cube is ending with, this is cube root we have to calculate for this. Cube root we have to calculate. 2, 8 cube is ending with 2, so definitely ending with 8. Okay, 192 can be removed. 941 is between which cubes? 9 cube 729, 10 cube is 1000. So 941 is between 9 cube and 10 cube. So 9 we will get 98. So like this you should perform cube roots, my dear friends. So square root, cube root, this is how you should go ahead. A square root, among two numbers you should decide one. Okay, this is useful, which is closer. This is 4 here. Here we have more difference. Depends on that we have to decide, my dear friends. Finally, with simplification we are going to end the session, my dear friends. And this is regarding square root example anyhow. You have to do square root of 15,876. Okay, reminding you again, so the notes will be there in the link, okay, after 2 to 3 hours. Okay, you can find the notes in the YouTube link itself. Okay, there you have a link, separate link is given to download the notes, no issue regarding that. We can practice these questions as well. So tomorrow also we have a session with another topic. So we have a series of sessions going forward as a part of your SSC CGL preparation. So take a note that every day around 7 o'clock probably, maybe half an hour or 1 hour slight deviations might be there. Okay, most probably it will be from 7 o'clock only. So you stay tuned for that sessions also, my dear friends, going forward. Yeah, this is all you can utilize, okay, how to do square root and all. Now, my dear friends, I am going with one question related to simplification. Simplifications, they can give question like this. 3 divided by 1 square into 2 square. 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square. 7 divided by 3 square into 4 square. So on. Yeah, if you just see this, I can go ahead with 11 square into 12 square. Last number, you can just complete this series. Okay, 11 square into 12 square. One moment, yeah. Up to 11 square into 12 square in the denominator. Numerator is 23 here. Now all this you have to calculate, my dear friends. Sum of all this you have to calculate, simplify this entire big equation, okay. Now see this one, my dear friends, one among the simplifications actually, okay, it's not the basic one, bit next level question only. Okay, 3 divided by 1 square into 2 square, 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square. See, when you have a product in the denominator, the difference is there in the numerator or not, we have to check. 1 and 4, difference 3 is there in the numerator. Here, 4 and 9, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, difference 5 is there in the numerator. And here, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 and 16, difference 7 is there. Here, 121, 144, difference 23 is there in the numerator. When you have difference in the numerator, okay, denominator product difference is there in the numerator. Not only this question, for remaining all questions also, what you can do, you can write it directly, this as 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. You can write, when you have difference between the product of two numbers in the denominator as a numerator, then directly I can write this as 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square, first one. Second term, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. So on, 1 by 11 square minus 1 by 12 square. So except first and last terms, remaining all will get cancelled in the process, my dear friends, except first and last term. So what is the first term is 1, last term is 1 minus 1 by 44, okay, 144. If you just say this is 143 by 144. So they'll give the options anyhow, okay, after simplification, as this exam is all about MCQs, no worry about that, they'll give the options. But when you want to simplify this, not only this question, my dear friends, other questions also, when you have difference between the denominator product is there in the numerator. This question, fine. And this question you try and post your answers in the comment immediately now. Is this trick applicable for the previous or not? You just check it out. Is difference between the denominators product, okay, that values is there in the numerator? Yes, sir. Then what will be there at the end? First term and last term only left over, sir. That's it. So we can say 10 by 11, my dear friends. Right. So guys, stay tuned for remaining sessions also. Okay, around 7 o'clock we have sessions daily. And I hope, okay, you learn something through this session. So, and you just comment which is most like for you among these tricks in the comment section, so that we'll work on that more remaining tricks also. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for the session. And tomorrow, Stay tuned at 7 o'clock. Okay, we have one more session. Series of sessions are going to be followed, okay, for your preparation. Take care, my dear friends.